Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious no-bake banana pudding. The recipe is so simple, yet the dessert itself contains such a complex variation of textures. It requires no baking whatsoever and can be made up to 2 days in advance, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is make the vanilla custard. Add your milk into a medium-sized saucepan and we're going to bring this to a simmer on medium flame. While that's heating up, in a medium-sized bowl combine together 2 egg yolks, 1 egg, and some sugar. We're going to give this a mix until it is fully incorporated. The egg yolks add richness to the custard, while the egg itself is like a binding agent which gives structure to the custard, so unfortunately you cannot make this recipe without eggs. The written recipe will be available in the description box below, so make sure to click the link to check that out. Next, we're going to add in some cornstarch and then give this a mix until it is fully incorporated. You want to keep in mind not to bring the milk to a boil. We are just going to get it to a simmer so it has little bubbles on the sides. Now we're going to add about 1 cup of the hot milk and then whisk immediately, and then after that you're going to add in all of the hot milk into the bowl while whisking. This process is called tempering, and this is what prevents the eggs from scrambling. This banana pudding is made up of 4 layers. This homemade, creamy, dreamy vanilla custard, a layer of sliced bananas, some freshly whipped cream, and some crushed digestive biscuits or vanilla wafers. Once you've added in all of the milk, we're going to go ahead and add this mixture back into the saucepan. Place it on medium-low heat and cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes while constantly whisking until the custard thickens. Once the custard is nice and thick, remove it from the heat. We're going to add in some salt, some unsalted butter, and some vanilla extract, which I did accidentally forget to record, so you want to make sure to add that in because this is a vanilla custard. You cannot skip the vanilla extract. Give this a mix until it is fully incorporated, and next we're going to pass this custard through a sieve to remove any lumps. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this because you're going to end up with a silky smooth, delicious custard. Let the custard cool down completely before we start assembling the dessert. Here I have some digestive biscuits, which I'm going to roughly crush up in a Ziploc bag. You can also use vanilla wafers because that's what this dessert is traditionally made with. For the assembly, we're going to start with 1 layer of custard. I'm using a 1.5 liter trifle bowl. This serves about 8 people. We're going to spread that out, and next we're going to add a layer of sliced bananas. I used 4 medium-sized bananas in total. Next, we're going to add a layer of the crushed digestive biscuits or vanilla wafers, whichever one you're using. And lastly, we're going to add a layer of freshly whipped cream. This is just cold, heavy whipping cream whipped to soft peaks. You do not need to add any sugar into this because the custard also has a lot of sugar, and so do the biscuits. Spread this out, and then you're going to repeat the same process until you reach the top of your dish. You can also use glasses instead of one large dish. And then to top it off, I used the leftover whipped cream to pipe all over the top like so. Once you finish assembling the dessert, we're going to refrigerate this for at least 4 hours or even up to overnight before serving. You can, however, make this dessert up to 2 days in advance. And that's it, your delicious no-bake banana pudding is ready to go. It is filled with layers upon layers of deliciousness. It has a silky smooth custard, some crunchy digestive biscuits or vanilla wafers, freshly sliced bananas, and a light and fluffy whipped cream. And the best part about this dessert is that it looks amazing, making it perfect for parties and get-togethers. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one. Like the video if you liked it, and comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. And as always, thank you so much for watching.